Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Erin and I do mostly budgeting videos like the one you're about to see here. For tuning in and spending some time with me in this video. It's been a while since I've done any type of savings challenge, and I was trying to think, what can I do that's fun, realistic, that I could stick with while I'm trying to pay off some debt and also save some money. And while we're in a bit of a transition period with jobs and salaries. So I came up with the idea of just doing a $2 bill savings challenge. Now, if you've been with me for a while and watching my videos, you know I talked a lot about $2 bills last fall because I just love collecting them and, you know, grabbing them when I'm at the bank. And sometimes my bank has them and sometimes my bank doesn't. But I'm going to make it a point to get a hold of the amount that I need throughout the rest of this year for this challenge. So I'm really excited about it. It's not going to add up to an earth-shattering amount of money, but it's still going to be a little bit of savings, maybe a little bit of pocket money, and I'm not sure if I'm going to end this right before Christmas or when Christmas is over, just to kind of cap out this year. But if I do end it after Christmas, it'll be nice just to have a little bit of extra money to start the new year with next year. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how many of these I can save. Now, for me, there's something about a $2 bill that's like so charming. I think that they are just, I don't want to say they're so cute because they're not cute, but I just love the design of them, and they're rare. I mean, you can definitely get a hold of them, and if your bank doesn't have them, usually banks will order them for you. So, you know, if you wanted to give somebody a birthday gift of $50 and you want it to be all in $2 bills, your bank can probably do that order for you if they don't have them on hand. Some of them are a little bit beat up, and as you can see, some are a little bit different than others. So here's the difference in a newer version versus an older version. So this says that it is series 1953B. Now, I don't know if that, I doubt that's when it was printed, but it could be. I don't know. Is that the print date? You know, let me look at a dollar bill. Let's see. So this is series 2009. So you guys are going to have to tell me, is this the print date or is this just the design series date? I'm ashamed that I don't know the answer to that, but I don't. I do know that when you look at a dollar bill, you can tell where it's been printed or manufactured, and this one's from Atlanta, Georgia. And there's actually a lot of information to be attained from looking at a piece of money. But anyways, okay, so this one says series 1953. Maybe that's the last time that this was updated, this particular design, or maybe this one is from 1953. I can't imagine that a piece of paper would last that long, but I guess it's possible. 2003, 1976, 1976. Let's see, do we have any older than that? Somebody put a stamp on this one. Really cool. 76 is, this is 2003. It looks worse than the 1976. 2003 and 76 look to be one or the other. So maybe I have, this one is 1906. No, this is 1953. So 2017. This is a nice crisp new one. Okay, anyway, so it looks like this is the oldest one that I have, series 1953. There's one more in here, but yeah, really interesting how the designs have changed over the years. So what my plan is, my plan for this little challenge is to save $10 or 5 $2 bills every single payday. Now, if I can add to it along the way and add more, perfect, because the more money we can save all the time, that is ideal. But my goal is to add $10 in $2 bills, so 5 $2 bills every single payday, which for me would be twice a month. So today's date is 1/12/21, and I'm going to count and see how much I have in $2 bills so far. And then that will be the start of my savings. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, and 42. So I have $42 in $2 bills. So I'm going to write that amount down right here. And then I'm going to migrate it over to this column, which is my total. So just zooming in, what I'll be doing moving forward is writing down the date, the amount of money that I'm adding, and then I will create a new total in this column, and I will go on as long as possible. So what I'm thinking about doing is leaving this page also in my bullet journal as potential to create another chart so I can continue this, because I think that this will go fairly quickly, especially depending on my husband's pay. If I go to the bank or anything, when he gets paid, I could grab some more $2 bills and, you know, save those. So potentially I could have a lot more savings than just my typical 26 pays. And already I'm down to 25 pays for, or am I? 25 pays for the rest of this year? I think so. I get paid every other week. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put this cash into my envelope, but I'm also going to write today's date. So 1/12/21, $42. And then I'm just going to create just a simple little folded belly band for the cash. And that way, if I want to add to this and I don't have my bullet journal handy, I can just go ahead and throw some cash in here, and at least I'll know where I was at. Not that I can't figure that out, but I don't know. I just think that it makes it a little bit easier all around. So I'm just going to slide that in here. And this is my $2 challenge. So hopefully I will need a new envelope pretty soon, because this isn't, it's a big envelope, but it's not very, it doesn't have a gusset or anything like that. And you guys know when you are doing cash envelopes or when you're saving cash at home, it can add up and get, like, the stack can get pretty thick pretty quickly, especially with smaller bills. So there we go. That is the start of my $2 challenge. If you guys want to join me, I think that would be fun. And it's fun to collect $2 bills, but also it'll be fun to spend them too when all this is over. But I don't know. There's just something about them, and I've always liked to have them or keep one in my wallet for good luck or something like that, just because, you know, it is a more rare form of currency than we are used to, but it's still out there and it's definitely attainable. So if you're interested, you know, just check with your bank or just ask them the next time you're there, can you break this 10 and give me 5 $2 bills or what have you. But yeah, I think this will be fun, and it'll also get me back in the mindset of saving and making something fun out of that. I have some updates, but what I'm going to do is talk about that in my next video that I'm doing, and that is going to be a debt progress update. So I have some news on that front and also a job update. So I'm really excited to share that with you. It's been a crazy couple of days. The weekend, yesterday, I had a lot going on, so I haven't been able to answer emails or comments or anything like that. But yeah, it's, you know, as far as I'm concerned, it's all positive stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm happy to share that with you in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to join me for another budgeting or money related video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love if you stuck around and did so. And you guys know I have that giveaway going on. So if you're still interested in being entered into that, you can check out that video. You have until this Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time. And then I will be announcing the winner the same day. So good luck to all of you who have already entered. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and I will see you very soon. Take care.